Hello dear learners, welcome in this module of antidotes from the subject Pharmaceutical Chemistry 1. After completion of this module, you will be able to define antidote, classify antidote with example, know causes, symptoms and effect of cyanide poisoning, explain treatment in cyanide poisoning, understand role of sodium nitrite and sodium thiosulfate in cyanide poisoning, and explain monograph of sodium nitrite. Let's see what is meant by poison. Poison is any substance which when go inside our body via any route or any form, it changes the normal physiological functioning of our body. Basically, the poisons are treated by the chemical agents known as antidotes. Hence, the antidotes are the chemical agents which are having capacity to counteract, reverse or stop the action of poison. Antidotes could be applied locally or systemically. The local antidotes reacts with poisons in the stomach either to inactivate it or to retard its absorption, and they are quite safe. The systemic antidotes counteract the effect of poison which have already been absorbed. Antidotes are classified depending upon their mechanism of chemical antidote, mechanical antidote and physiological antidote. Chemical antidote act by changing the chemical nature of poison. They act by converting poison to non-toxic or less toxic compounds, for example sodium thiosulfate. Mechanical antidotes act by preventing the absorption of poison or expelling it outside via urine or by vomiting. And third, physiological antidote act by producing opposite effect to that of effect of poison. Means they counteract effect of poison by producing other effect. For example, sodium nitrite. Let's see what are the causes of cyanide poisoning, what are the symptoms, how it affects on our body and what treatment is given in cyanide poisoning. Cyanide poisoning may occur by inhalation of hydrocyanic acid like fumigates, or it may occur by ingestion of soluble inorganic cyanide salts or cyanide releasing substances like a cyanamide, cyanogen chloride, photographic chemicals, etc. It has symptoms like nausea, drowsiness, headache, hypotension, dyspnea, coma, convulsion and death. What is the effect of cyanide poisoning in our body? Basically, the cyanide has a high affinity towards iron in the ferric, that is Fe+3 state. Hence, when it is absorbed, it reacts with the Fe+3 of cytochrome oxidase in mitochondria and it stops cellular respiration. Means there is respiratory arrest which may result in the death of that particular patient. Treatment of cyanide poisoning: sodium nitrite and sodium thiosulfate are given in cyanide poisoning. Then how this sodium nitrite and sodium thiosulfate acts as an antidote in cyanide poisoning? We already discussed that cyanide toxicity results from binding to the ferric form of cytochrome oxidase. Hence, our treatment should be aimed at prevention or reversal of such a binding. In this cyanide poisoning, first sodium nitrite is given, which is followed by slow intravenous infusion of the sodium thiosulfate. So, sodium nitrite causes oxidation of hemoglobin to the methemoglobin. This methemoglobin competes with cytochrome oxidase for cyanide ions. The reaction favors methemoglobin because of the mass action, and then there is the formation of the methemoglobin and cytochrome oxidase is restored. Following sodium nitrite injection, a slow intravenous infusion of sodium thiosulfate is given. The thiosulfate anion reacts with the cyanide. These ions are catalyzed by enzyme rhodonase This it forms non-toxic thiocyanate ion which is excreted in a urine. The chemical reaction takes place in this mechanism is as follows. Sodium thiosulfate, that is Na2H2O3, reacts with the cyanide ions, that is Cn-. In presence of rhodanase enzyme, there is the formation of non-toxic thiocyanate ions. Let's take a look on universal antidote. Universal antidote is used whenever the nature of poison is unknown or where it is suspected that 2 or more poisons has been taken. It is given by oral route in the dose of 15 to 30 gram and it can be repeated 12 to 24 hours early. The composition of universal antidote is as follows. First ingredient is activated or powdered charcoal. Quantity of it is 2 parts, that is 50% of total quantity. It has a capacity, we already know that it adsorbs alkaloids. Second ingredient is magnesium oxide. Quantity is 1 part, that is 25% of total quantity. It neutralizes acids. And third ingredient is tannic acid. Quantity of tannic acid is 1 part, that is 25% of total quantity. And use of tannic acid is it precipitates alkaloids. Then here are some antidotes with their action. Just take a look on these antidotes with their uses. Monograph of sodium nitrate. Thank you and happy learning.